started our journey by putting in at the Falkland boat ramp and heading our way to Wildwood Park. Throughout the trip, we had a couple of obstacles here and there, but nothing we couldn't overcome. Or Limbo under. Same. Then we hit the town common in Greenville, and we stopped for lunch. There had been a lot of rain, so town common was a little flooded out. Every now and then we'd stop and we'd get a workout in.
Oh, man.
After lunch, it didn't take long to get to Wildwood.
The water level was coming down, but it left a huge ring of pollen. Usually, this is nothing but grass. Now, we got riverfront property.
There were 5 of us total, and the campsite could have handled double that easily. We even put up a 10-person tent on the inside of the screened-in area. Next up, we got the fire rolling and started getting some food out for dinner. On the menu for us was baked potatoes, and then we had some full packets with steak, onions, and all kind of peppers. After that, we were all ready for bed. We start the next day, headed towards Washington, North Carolina.